how this is how we jive for mass communication. I'm again with another video. You can see guys, in front of me I have a simple box of a boot, a budget boot, good looking, from Shein. Lovely box, nothing special, nothing fancy. Some number size is writing, nothing special. So let's unbox it. Here we have lovely looking boots from Shein. Wow, beautiful. The budget boot, they're not something as Timberland, Panama Jack, those big companies, but very good light. I feel so light at my hand, very lovely. Wow, magnificent. Sports footwear is right in here, but look at this. Is look at the Timberland high tech, all other boots. I love boots. If you want to check out the review of Timberland high tech Panama Jack, you can check the video description. Wow, here you have something. If you want to lose it, you want to tight it, you can do that. Inside looks quite warm. Feel good, feel warm inside. Wow, the sole quite light. Okay, and it's not plastic, it's not a cheap material. The material is similar as most expensive boots. Put more closer, I feel as a rubber texture, high material and very light of it, and look dashing. To be honest, it look beautiful. Let's take the other one. Here we go. Put the box one side. Look at them, look gorgeous, looks good. Price could be from $40 to $50, 40 to 50 euro, depend which country you are in. So let's closer. Here you have something soft material. Let's check the other one. Very soft, warm. In winter, these are the winter boot for mountain trekking, also for fashion with the jeans. It will look lovely. Here behind you have something, so it will hold your jeans or pants if you want. Lovely. Any more thing inside, and I think you have something. You have this one, so that's good thinking, so it will not go down, will not destroy by the time. So very lovely, beautiful looking boot from Shein, budget boot I would say. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.